There are so many creditors seeking to get their bills paid by the Archdiocese of Baltimore. There's actually been a committee formed to advocate for them in this process. Today, the court heard from a man who said he should have been on that committee in the first place, questioned why he wasn't, and then asked the judge for a seat at the table.
The unsecured claimants, they should have the opportunity to sue the Archdiocese as individuals and seek the most damage, not merely what the insurance companies in the Archdiocese think that they can put in a pot to make this issue go away.
John Curran appeared without an attorney in U.S. District Court on Monday, argued his own motion before the federal judge overseeing the Archdiocese of Baltimore's Chapter 11 case. Curran, asking to be added to the so-called Survivors Committee, said he should have been on it to begin with, since he has 2 of the 7 largest claims filed against the Roman Catholic Church. One as a survivor of clergy sexual abuse, and the other as a former employee.
Volunteer altar boys have the same employee rights as somebody who is paid by the respective churches.
Curran said both claims date back to the late 70s and early 80s when he worked as an altar boy at a church in Carroll County. The Survivors Committee and the official empowered to put Curran on it both opposed the motion. It doesn't add anything new to the mix, the U.S. trustee argued. From the bankruptcy perspective, I don't see how that's a different claim. And attorneys for the 7-member panel said changing its makeup at this point would cause too much disruption and delay, and we've worked too hard for 2 years now to put all that at risk. What do you make of the pushback you got from the U.S. trustee?
Convenience. It would just be inconvenient for the U.S. trustee's office at this point to go back and do what it should have done the first time. I was never contacted.
The judge said she would issue a decision soon, adding, "I am hesitant to further delay getting this case across the finish line when it is so close to reaching that stage." Outside U.S. District Court downtown, I'm Kate Amara, WBAL TV 11 News.